Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to add opportunity products within an opportunity. Opportunity products means that opportunity line items. So I'll be discussing that how to add those line items within the opportunity. So this is a simple Salesforce out of the box functionality. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. In here in the related list of the opportunity record, we can see that this product related list is already added. So we can just click on this drop down and just we can click on this like add products. So here we can find the list of available products that can be added to the opportunity, and whenever these opportunity line items are added, so those are the part of the opportunity product object. So API name of that object is opportunity line item and the label is opportunity product. And if I select like three products I have selected, and it's part of the price book, so there should be a price book associated for the products. So under those price book, this product needs to be entered. Unless we can't find those can be added within this opportunity. So in here we can just select what are those products. So in here we can see that a list of product names, product codes, and a list of the prices. Means uh, this product is the price of this product, and we can find the product description and product families as well. If I just click on next, we can specify, we can see that our three selected products are showing in this list, and we can just specify what are the quantities, what is the sales price, and date and the line description. Like for example, I can specify for this product 1000 kilowatt quantity, I can specify one, and for second product I can just specify the quantity as 2, and again for this one, and I just select um, today's date or uh, previous date, and we can just add descriptions as well. So after clicking on the on this save button, so we can just able to add those opportunity products within the opportunity record. So basically this opportunity line items what makes opportunity more than just a deal name and amount, right? And like think, we can think of them like a shopping cart details for your opportunity. They show exactly what products or services are being sold, along with their things like price, quantity, sales price, some sort of discounts we can also see, and the dates. Without the line items, an opportunity deal is just a rough idea of a deal, right? And if I just click on this save button, we can see that these products got added, and within this list of products we can from this opportunity we can find what are the purpose of this opportunity, right? What the services, what are the products are means the opportunity is serving. So with them you will get a full picture of what's being sold and how much money it brings in, right? uh, that's the purpose of these opportunity products, and this helps sales team to create accurate quotes, track revenue properly, and see which products are selling the most. We can create reports with respect to these opportunity line items as well. And in short, opportunity line items connect with opportunities to the real products and money behind them. Since these are the all the sales price, and uh, we can find that uh, these are the part of the opportunity line items. If I just open one of the record, and we can see that the object name is opportunity product, and I if I just see from the extension, like this is the API name of this product opportunity line items, and we can see that different different fields are there. Like this is the list price that we specify while adding that product, and this is the opportunity name, and we can see this product means this is the product ID, and this is the price book entry ID. So this is nothing but the standard price book. We can just open this one quickly, and we can see that this is the price book entry, and this price book entry is part of the price book. This one, this is the standard price book. If I just open, this is the standard price book that needs to be associated for the each product, and from the related list we can find that different price book entries are available for the respective price book. So and this needs to be active unless we can't find them listed into those opportunities that can be added as the opportunity products. And we can find the total price, unit prices as well. So in this regard, I will be creating a new scenario for the record triggered flow. Like if whenever this opportunity record having some opportunity products, and whenever this opportunity is getting closed on, then we will just create a new opportunity, and whenever we are creating a new opportunity record, we will just copy these opportunity line items into the new opportunity, right? So this will be the use case for the next session. So please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. So thanks for watching.